So either you learn from your own experiences through repetition, through time, through being relentless, na kahit mag-fail ka laban, na kahit bumagsak ka bangon. Or maybe you can learn from the experiences of other people. Diyan napapasok yung tinatawag na mentorship. Kaya maririnig mo, lahat ng milyonaryo, bilyonaryo, meron silang kinikilalang mentor. Kasi the mentor can teach you not just the framework, but how to execute all of this. So it means that the mentor can teach you not just the framework, but the execution of the framework. Ang mentorship, nasa execution, nasa application. So naibigay ko na sa inyo yung framework, guys, you can use this. Kung hindi mo naintindihan lahat ng to, watch it over and over, take notes. Simulan mo sa isang box na alam mong kailangan mong i-improve. Isa-isahin mo. Ang mahalaga, nagtitake ka ng action.